Hi, welcome to my channel. You must have known how to write the numbers in Chinese characters, right? If not, check the link of how to write 1 to 10 in Chinese in my description box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10. So 7, 7. Well, 8 is 8. 7、8 in Mandarin. Today, follow me to write shang and xia and the Chinese 4-character idiom 7上8下. Shang, shang, it means up, get on. Go upstairs, 上楼. Shang is the antonym of xia. It means down. Next, or below. The next one, 下一个. Write shang in cursive, you can write like this. R, horizontal stroke. Or like this. Shang and xia. Xia, shang, xia. So here comes the Chinese 4-character idiom 7上8下. 7上8下. Refers an unsettled state of mind. It comes from one of the most famous classical Chinese novels, 水浒传, written hundreds of years ago. For example, I feel so uneasy and don't know what to do. I feel so uneasy and don't know what to do. I feel so uneasy and don't know what to do. 我现在心里7上8下，不知道该怎么办。我现在心里7上8下，不知道该怎么办。I feel so uneasy and don't know what to do. 7, 7, 8, 8, 上 up, get on, 下 down, next, below, 上下7上8下 七上八下. I feel so uneasy and don't know what to do. 我现在心里七上八下，不知道该怎么办。I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.